If you are sending cold email manually or forgetting to follow up, this video will show you how Saleshandy automates cold outreach so you don't lose replies or opportunities. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Saleshandy is, how people use it for cold email, and also how to set up automated follow-ups step by step, even if you're brand new. Now, what is Saleshandy? Saleshandy is a cold email and follow-up automation tool designed to help you send personalized cold email, automate follow-ups, and also track open rates, clicks, and replies, and manage outreach directly from your inbox. Save time while increasing reply rates. Saleshandy focuses heavily on simplicity and automation, making it great for beginners who want structured outreach without complex setup. Now, who should use Saleshandy? I would recommend Saleshandy to you if you are a freelancer doing cold outreach, agency pitching services, sales reps and SDRs, or founders contacting prospects and recruiters and consultants. If your goal is to send cold emails and never forget to follow up, Saleshandy is perfect for you. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up. Now let's dive in. Once you're signed up to Saleshandy, you'll be redirected to a dashboard like this. And the first feature we'll be talking about is email account connection. With Saleshandy, you can connect directly to Gmail, Google Workspace, or Outlook. All you need to do is tap right where you see Add Email Account. You can tap right there. You can choose to connect your Google account, your Outlook account, or you can simply tap on SMTP depending on who is your email provider. So this means emails are sent from your real inbox and replies land directly in your email. Conversations stay natural and you're not blasting emails, you're automating personal outreach. The second feature we like to talk about is cold email campaigns. With Saleshandy, you can create a campaign. All you need to do is simply go over to the left-hand menu option. From here, we are going to tap right where you see sequences at the top. After you have tapped on sequences, what I want you to do next is you're going to see the option new sequence right here. You're just going to tap on create a sequence, or you can choose to use their AI feature to create a sequence. So we're going to tap on create sequence right there. After you have done that, you can tap on email. From here, you'll be able to type in your cold email. You can also add multiple follow-ups. So for example, I'm just going to be adding a test subject. Then this is where you'll be able to type in your cold email right here. You're just going to be typing something random. After you have done that, you'll tap on test and you'll also be able to send a test email if you want. Now, once you have done that, you'll be able to add different steps as you can see right here. So for example, you can add a step and from there you'll be able to add multiple follow-ups. You can also tap here and from here you'll be able to set delays, and you can also personalize using variables. For example, you can use some common variables like first name, company, or job title. So that's how you'll be able to set up a cold email campaign. Follow-ups are sent automatically only if the prospect doesn't reply. This alone increases reply rates significantly. And the next thing we want to talk about is the automated follow-ups feature. So this is Saleshandy's biggest strength. Instead of manually checking emails and remembering who didn't reply, Saleshandy will track replies, stop follow-ups automatically, and keeps conversations clean. Most replies in cold email come from follow-ups, not the first email. The next feature we'll be talking about is lead uploads and personalization. In the past, Saleshandy did not provide the option for you to find leads. But since recently, they have come in with a feature by the name of Lead Finder. So you can tap on Lead Finder from the left-hand menu option. And from here, you can see that you have over 835 million companies or persons that you can search through. You can simply tap on search by name from the top left hand corner, or you can choose to search by location, LinkedIn URL, LinkedIn followers, company name, company domain, industry. There are numerous search options that you are provided with. And you still have the option where you can upload your CSV file, or you can upload your lead list from tools like Apollo or Hunter. So you're given numerous options when it comes onto lead uploads and lead finder, as you can see right here. Another feature that we're going to be talking about is email tracking and analytics. By going over to the left hand menu option, you can select analytics. From here, Saleshandy will track your email open rate, link clicks, replies, and also campaign performance. So you can see which emails are working, which follow-ups get replies, and where prospects drop off. This helps you improve messaging over time. Now let's talk about some real-life use cases when it comes onto Saleshandy. First, I would recommend Saleshandy for freelancers, as you can use it to pitch services daily, automate follow-ups, and also book more calls without extra work. You can also use it if you're running an agency, as you'll be able to run outreach campaigns per niche. You can also track performance and scale client acquisition. And if you're on a sales team, this will be the perfect platform for you, as you can offer consistent outreach, centralized tracking, and also better follow-up discipline. Saleshandy shines when consistency matters. And if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option, otherwise you can tap right here on prospects, and this is where you'll be able to upload your prospects by tapping on add prospects right there. You can also use their email verifier feature by simply dragging your CSV file right here, or you can enter the email address, and you can also go over to the left hand menu option and you can tap on email accounts, and this is where you'll be able to connect multiple email accounts. You can also use their pre-warmer option right here if you want, and you can see the cost. And talking about cost, if we were to check out the pricing when it comes onto Saleshandy, while you can get started for free as they offer a 7-day free trial period, their monthly plan begins at $36 and it can go up to $299. Hope you found this review helpful and informative. If you would like to give Saleshandy a try, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up.